Under Section 10B of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, persons are prohibited from using manipulative or deceptive conduct in buying or selling securities. But is manipulative or deceptive conduct in offering options to buy securities also prohibited by the Exchange Act? The United States Supreme Court considered this question in the Wharf Holdings Limited versus United International Holdings. In 1991, the Hong Kong government announced that it would accept bids for the right to obtain the exclusive license to operate a cable system in Hong Kong. In response, the Wharf Holdings Limited wished to submit a bid and sought help from United International Holdings. In exchange for its help, Wharf orally granted United an option to buy 10% of the future cable system stock. Under the agreement, the price of exercising the option would be 10% of the system's capital requirements minus the value of United's services, including its expenses. Further, United could only exercise the option if it showed that it could fund a 10% share of the capital required for at least 10 months. Also, the option would expire if it wasn't exercised within 6 months of the date that Wharf obtained the license. In May of 1993, Hong Kong granted Wharf's bid, and United showed that it could fund the 10% share of capital required for at least 10 months. A few months later, United informed Wharf that it was ready to exercise its option, but Wharf refused to honor the option and didn't allow United to buy any of the cable system stock. Subsequently, United sued Wharf in the United States District Court for the District of Colorado for securities fraud under Section 10B of the Exchange Act. In the action, United argued that Wharf used manipulative or deceptive conduct in selling securities because it secretly never intended to honor the option. In response, Wharf argued that its conduct didn't fall under Section 10B because the rule didn't cover oral option contracts. At trial, United introduced evidence that Wharf never planned to allow it to exercise the option. Following trial, the court found for United and awarded it damages. Wharf appealed to the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, which affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.